Guys, Jackie is here, and today I'm going to be starting the amusement park. Well, obviously it's not an amusement park right now. I gotta clear off everything, put it all on the floor, and then I can get started on it. And this is part one of the amusement park, and I'm guessing 3 or 4 parts. So let's go into time-lapse mode. So that'll wrap it up for this video. I put a little line for the fairground mixer. I got the Ferris wheel in. Still working on the carousel, which will probably go about right here. I hooked up power functions for this. Let's run that. Still working on the, turn this off. Still working on the Ferris wheel with the power functions. I do not have another motor. But, yeah. Thanks for watching.